Hey everyone, this is filler number 9 for Mr. John Yancey Harrington for the Vizio 55, 10 at 480. Top spot gets 1 on the main. Copy our list. Go live. 927. Paste our list. Roll our dice. Need a 4 or higher. 927. We got a 6. 927, 6 times. 10 items on the list. 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 items on the list. Miss December on top. Mr. Dwayne on the bottom. Randomized 5 times. Dice called for a 6. 927, final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 3, Miss Lisa Myers. 10 items, 6 times, 6 on the dice. Congrats, Miss Lisa. We are done. 927. Thanks, everyone.